Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. It's good to have you all back here, and welcome if you're new. In this video, we'll talk about Luna Classic and a bit about TERRA Classic as well, but mainly we'll focus on Luna Classic and the technicals. There's some fundamentals we might need to talk about, but not too much. But yeah, just wanted to do an update. It's almost weekend over the last couple of weekends, at least, has been quite interesting and volatile for Luna Classic. Right now, the market, like technically, and we'll still go into that into depth about that a little bit more in this video, but technically we are in this very tight range between 8,000 and 8,400 right here. And we're bound to get some sort of a breakout out of that quite soon, all right? So we'll talk about what the possibilities are from there as well, some potential setups, some things I'm looking at least to potentially trade it. But that's what we'll do. So before we dive into that, I do want to bring your attention to a new project called GRAPE. There's a link down in the description. It's a project I've partnered up with, newly launched the 24th, so 4 days ago, already rallying quite a bit. And apart from that, it's a great long-term project. It's a serious project. And via the link down in the description, you can still buy it at $50, even though at Bitmart it's $190. You cannot instantly sell, but like I said, you can buy it at a significant discount. And it's a great project. It has some real utility, all right? So check that out if you're still looking for some amazing projects with great possible returns. But for now, let's get into Luna Classic. So like I said, I mean, purely technically, we are bearish, all right? We're not bullish. So you can see something like this, but I think it's more accurate that you can just see all of the EMAs. The EMAs are just trending down. Now that has happened before, like right here, the beginning of July was also the case. Then we got some bullish momentum coming from USDT and that correlation. And then we were actually able to bounce back up. But what we're seeing right now from USDT is that there has been sustained bearish momentum basically since, well, the 22nd of July, which is also coincidentally when we started dropping with Luna Classic. The markets were also a little bit more bearish, so that did not help either. So now the big question is can we actually break out of this downtrend again? And I think the chances right now of doing that are as low as they've ever been. I mean, if you take a look at the burn tax right now, all right, it's doing, it's doing fine compared to a couple of months back, but there are no big peaks. Those peaks, you might think they don't matter, but they actually did. Like these peaks were all before some major rallies. Then apart from that, there's also no governance we can talk about. Obviously, there's still some sort of a Luna Classic USDC repack somewhere being talked about, but who knows how long that will take. So we basically have nothing. We only have Luna Classic on its own. And I actually do think, like I said, I do think we will be testing that level around 83 and 8400 because we have seen quite a lot of bullish momentum for Luna Classic over most weekends. All right, so the main thing we're looking for is that if we test that level, that we can break above 8400. Because if we can do that, then all of a sudden we're fine. Like we've broken above the short-term bearish momentum. We can get up to 8800 and at least set up a consolidation. I will not tell you that we will rally all of a sudden. I think for that we would really need some news on USDC and Luna Classic. But then at least we do have some more stability. That's what we want for now. But I would say that, like I said, I think we're going to test this. But if we cannot break above this now, and Bitcoin is quite bearish, which we have seen so far, then I think the chances are bigger and bigger. And I'm actually expecting something like this, that we break down below 8,000. And the moment we break down below 8,000 on the hour 4 time frame, we're dropping down to 7,500, which I actually am thinking of buying from. It's a big psychological support level. We haven't touched that area in ages. The last time we touched that is right here, the 9th of August last year, and then before that the 27th of June. So that's a major level, all right? Potentially I'm buying from this level if we drop down there. For now, like I said, we're still waiting because I do think we will have another shot, another chance of breaking above 8,300, 8,400. But if we don't, I mean, if we are unable to break above that, then the chances become so big that we break down below 8,000 that I would say that's the most likely scenario. But yeah, that's my take on Luna Classic for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.